What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm on the ice. We got about 5 inches of fresh snow last night, so it's kind of a little rough getting on here. There's like me and like two other people on the lake. So first of all, I'd like to say that if you're by yourself, it's not a bad idea to bring ice picks. So I got them in my sled. There's plenty of ice right here, but the snow puts a lot of pressure on the ice, so just you gotta be safe on the ice, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna get to drill a couple holes. I'm looking for about 10 feet of water or so. So yeah, you guys just stay tuned and enjoy some B-roll.
Chasing after that dollar like it'll slow down my hurry. Settle all my worries when I get it in my wallet. Quit dipping long enough to own a pair of jeans that don't have a ring in the back left pocket. Laughing at myself, admitting when I'm wrong. That's what this good old boy's gonna go out working on. Working on, coming to Jesus, kicking about wrestling with our roots. Trying to turn off mama's tears and feel our daddy's boots. Shutting up our pride, fixing bridges we burn.
Okay, so I just got done setting this tip up, and look at this. Look how it, I don't know if this is a pressure ridge or, because if it is, it's pretty big. Must be a really big pressure ridge or something. I don't know, but that's kind of cool. Oh yeah.
Gonna go out working on. Giving more forgiveness, picking battles we're choosing. Little is cussing and losing. My temper and my tools, dialing down my restless. Outgrowing my reckless, and my reputation for breaking hearts and rules.
Already, I got my last tip up in. The jig, I'll probably have to take one of them out, but that doesn't really matter. So if I can find the panfish, then I'll let you guys know. So far, you got one, so you guys just stay tuned. Oh crap, I got a tip up right behind me. It's spinning too. It's spinning, it's spinning. Let him eat. Let him eat it a little bit. It just went up. I'll give it to him. Got him. Just a little guy. Just a little dude. Little snaker. Whoa, he's flying out of the hole. Hold on, little dude. Oh yeah, he wasn't going nowhere. Save my minnow. Save my minnow too. Great. Alright, look at this dude. It's a nice little piker right there. Absolute beauty. I'll throw him back in one of them other holes. But see if my minnow's still kicking. Oh yeah, even my minnow's still alive. That's a plus right there. Maybe that's what that mark was. There we go. She's all set up. I'll throw that one back. Alrighty, we got another flag. I don't know, it took off pretty fast and I think it might have dropped. Oh, he's still on there. Get some line out. Get on there. Oh, crap. That one's not happy. He's not a happy camper today. Oh, he's decent. He's decent. Mid-20s. He's a bigger one. A lot bigger than the other one. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. I only got 12-pound test down here. Oh, turd. I don't want to cut it off. Break it. Got a good leader on here. Oh, here he comes, straight up. Oh, got him. He's about the same size. Decent. Squealing at me. Got a lot of blood on his teeth. Look at this guy. There's a decent one. A little bit bigger than the other one. We'll let him go in our other hole back there, and we'll get this tip up, set back up. Someone just drove a car out here. Got him, finally. Come on, get you up here. Oh yeah, my drag's so loose. Look at this, I got him. I got him, finally. It took me so long to catch that fish. Someone drove a car out here, that's crazy. There's only like 10 inches of ice. Oh, there's a bunch of marks down there. Look at that dude right there. That's a tanker. That's probably 18 inches right there. Got a flag. Slow down. There he goes. Get down, get down.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
It's not a big one. It's a kind one.
Good enough. Get it, Jada, get it. Get him. Got him? Slow down, slow down. Slow down. Get down. Get up. Lay down, lay down, lay down. Got him. Good job.
That's a small one.
That's alright.
Got him.
She's got him. Take her easy.
Oh,
Let it go if you got it. Let it go, let it go, let it go.
Oh,
Get down. Get down. Quiet.
where'd you catch Data? Oh my gosh.
Get the line on here. Get out of my way.
I got it all on video.
Yeah.
Hopefully it wasn't on mute.
Alright.
I gotta take a picture. I want to hold it. Does anyone have gloves?
No.
Dude, I don't need gloves. I
Here,
want to
stand by
take
me.
a picture.
Yeah, stand by me.
Hold on.
Hurry up, take a picture.
Hold on, I got it. Hold on. Oh, my camera's dead.
Oh.
Get mine.
Here, come here, Jada. Look at this absolute beauty of a pike right here. Here, back up a little bit, Jada.
Whoops.
Look at this. Smile. Okay, this is an absolute beauty right here.
I got a video. Go, Jada. Pull.
You got a flag.
Got him.
You got him. Take her easy.
Whoa.
Let it go if you got it. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Get down. Quiet.
What'd you catch, Jada?
Get the line on your hands. Get out of my way. Got a flag. It's the girls' turn. Let them have some fun. Let them go if you gotta. Don't horse them at the hole. Don't horse them. Bring it. There you go. Decent one.
It's not that big.
On the old Cyclops, eh? Yep. Got a flag. God damn her. Oh, turd. Right here. Oh, spinning too. snaker. Oh boy, now I got a mess. Oh boy. Got a mess now. Right at the bottom of the lip. Hey, oh, crap, 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 crap. Oh boy, I got a mess. Great. Slime rocker. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Holy crap. Alright. Yeah, after retime, man. That one.
You got him. Oh my god.
Oh.
What the hell? He's all spotted, dude. You left
Oh, thank you guys so much for watching this episode. We didn't slay, but we still caught fish. So, yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.